Hello everyone, welcome to Education KA channel. Today I have one exercise like on screen. Find X, Y and Z. We see in the measure is I have one triangle that it have 8, Y, Z, 8 and 25. And first we want to find 8y. Before go to the solution, don't forget subscribe my channel and like and share the video. And go to the solution. Look at this drinker. Okay, it's the right drinker. So it is have 90 degree. Okay, so I can use the measure. 8 square equal 8 times 8 plus 25. This I use the rule if the length square is equal this length times with this length. So this length is equal 25 plus 8. So we get 8 square equals 8 times 8 plus 25. And we get 8 equal 8 times 33. Okay? And we get 8, this 8 square. And we get 8 equals square root 8 times 33. And we know that 8 we can write it 4 times 2 and times 33. And 4 we can write it 2 square. And we get it to square root 2 times with 33 we get 66. So 8 equal 2 square root 66. Okay, now we have 8. And then we use this leg. It equals this leg times and this leg. So we get y square equal 25 times 8 plus 25. And we get y square equal 25 times 33. And then y equals square root 25 times 33. And equal, we know that 25 we get 5 square times 33 and equal 5 square root 33. So y equal 533. And then we find z. We use the rule z square. Z square equal this leg times with this leg. So we get 8 times 25. And then we get z equal square root 8 times 25. And then I can write 8, we can write 2 square times 2 and 25 we get 5 square. And we get 2 times 5 square root 2. And we get 10 square root 2. So set equal 10 square root 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share the video for more exciting video. Goodbye.